Right behind me is the Tiger Hill, the battle which almost nailed India's victory. If you look at the terrain here, it's steep, it's bare, and the battle was made all the more difficult because of the cold conditions here.
Given the terrain, a multi-directional attack was launched here, which stretched for 4 consecutive nights. Over 5,000 shells were fired, and India lost 30 soldiers. Havaldar Yogendra Singh Yadav of 18 Grenadiers, who was just 19 then, led his 7 men to the top, and they held the ground against 70.
चढ़ने में बहुत मुश्किलात आ रही थी, क्योंकि बर्फ पड़ी हुई थी और चढ़ने के लिए एकदम बिल्कुल खड़ी चढ़ाई थी। रस्सा बांधना बहुत मुश्किल था। एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़ के एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ करके ऊपर चढ़ना पड़ता था, फिर ऊपर से रस्सा बांधना पड़ता था, फिर ऊपर चढ़ते थे।
While the soldiers fought the hostile terrain, the army's local unit, the Ladakh Scouts, had a distinctive advantage. Men like Subedar Major Stansin Wangdos, who has always lived in high altitude, navigated regular troops and even captured peaks on their own.
बाकी ट्रूप्स पूरा प्लेन्स की थे, लद्दाख स्क्वाड प्योर हमने लद्दाखी था, तो चढ़ने में या कहीं भी जाने में ये दिक्कत आया। और जब भी जो भी आगे एडवांस करता था, लद्दाख स्क्वाड पहले पहुंचते थे और पीछे वाला नहीं पहुंचता, क्योंकि हमें क्लाइमेट का करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं होती थी और पहाड़ी के ऊपर चलने में हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती थी और ठंडी का हमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती थी।
Their war hero, Colonel Sonam Wangchuk, a Mahavir Chakra body, advanced at the snow-covered Chor Patla Ridge. He says being a local was an asset.
As my operation was concerned, I would say the gradient was around 70 to 80 degrees. And possibly, because I had Ladakh Scouts boys, that climb was possible, but otherwise had I had other troops, it would have been very difficult, because in lots of other operations, the troops normally when they climb a feature, they got daylighted. Whereas in my case, we could climb there during the hours of darkness.
The battle is now a decade-old memory, and the mountains are deceptively quiet here. Within these silences are the stories of victory and valor, and of a war that meant much more.
Kargil war means blood, guts and glory.
मुंह तोड़ जवाब देंगे हम और उससे बढ़ चढ़ के हम काम करेंगे।
Unified nation and everybody contributing his might towards the success of the war.
ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे अभी कल ही तो ये वार हुआ था। ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे कल ही हमारे वो साथी बिछड़े हैं। उन साथियों की याद हमेशा जो है बनी रहेगी।
Kargil was also India's first televised war. Even as these guns boomed miles away, every home in the country felt the pulse. After the break, we look at a nation united and a nation inspired.